In this question, it is given that the number of real solutions of the equation, this is, you have to find the correct choice. Before I proceed further, I will say, remember this concept that x plus 1 by x is always greater than equal to 2 if x is positive, and x plus 1 by x is less than equal to minus 2 if x is negative. And remember this thing also, equal to 2 will be there when x is 1. For all other positive values of x, x plus 1 by x will be greater than 2. Similarly, in this case, equal to minus 2 will be there when x is minus 1. For all other negative values of x, it will be less than minus 2. These are very popular concept. You must be knowing it. Still, for completeness, I have told you this concept. To do this question now, first of all, suppose x plus 1 by x equal to t, and therefore to find the value of this, squaring both sides, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 equal to t square, and using these two I can convert this whole equation in terms of t. I will be getting 3 into t square minus 2 minus 2t plus 5 equal to 0. That is, I get 3t square minus 2t minus 1 equal to 0. Clearly, one root of this equation is 1, because by putting t equal to 1, left hand side becomes 0. And if one root is known to you, keeping the fact that the product of root is minus, therefore if other root is alpha, 1 into alpha will be minus 1 by 3, hence alpha will be minus 1 by 3. That is, the roots of this are 1 and alpha, means the roots of this are 1 and minus 1 by 3. And now using these values of t, putting it here, I will proceed to find the value of x. And if t is 1, it means x plus 1 by x is equal to 1. And just now I told you the value of x plus 1 by x is always less than equal to minus 2 or greater than equal to 2. That is, the value of x plus 1 by x never lies between minus 2 and 2. And this or this, in both the cases, the value of x plus 1 by x is lying between minus 2 and 2. Hence, no real value of x is possible. Hence, because there is no real root of this equation, therefore I will say number of real roots is 0. That is, this becomes the correct choice.